Hello dear gorgeous ladies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope so you all are fine, good and enjoying good conditions of your health. So dear ladies, today I am back again with another amazing and beautiful collection of summer wears. So in this video you will be find out most amazing and beautiful collection of summer wears, crochet made top designs, different and amazing styles, amazing designs. So if you love to wear crochet, if you love to wear crochet styles, top designs, crop top designs, short top designs, so this video is going to be very helpful and very useful for you. So must watch video till the end. Very beautiful designs today I have collected for you in this video. It's more than 50 plus design ideas today I have collected for you, so must watch this video till the end for getting new ideas and new designs of crochet made top and shirt designs, short crop top designs. I love all these designs and I hope so that you will love these too. So please, if you are loving these designs, so dear ladies, do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives, and if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my notifications. So after getting my notifications, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video, how was these designs of summer wears, crochet made floral styles, short top designs, crop top designs, and which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel, which type of more videos will be useful for you, helpful for you. Tell me in the comment section. For more amazing ideas, for more collection, for more designs, so please do visit on my channel and check the other collection. I have already uploaded a huge collection on my channels. So you will be find out crochet made, shrug styles, cardigan design, jacket designs, top and blouse designs, shoes collections, bags collections, crochet made dresses for ladies and girls. So a lot of new ideas you will be find out on my channel. So must visit on my channel, dear ladies, and watch other videos. I hope so those videos will also be useful and helpful for you. I'm very thankful to you for your kind appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much for your kind support. Thank you so much for your positive feedback on my channel. So keep supporting me, keep sharing my video and keep visiting on my channel. So thank you so much dear ladies for watching my video. Please keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more designs, and don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you.